Hi, sixth graders, Mr. Y here, obviously, with just a little walkthrough on percussion warm-ups number 3 and 4. Those are the new ones this week. It's the same deal as last time. There's still a check-off list so that when you do it every day, you put an X in the box to show you you've done it. On number 3 and number 4, though, and by the way, there are still the same tempos, too. You still have 60 beats a minute, 96 beats a minute, 120 beats a minute. They're both the same this time. Number 2 last time was a little different. But number 3 is the flam taps. And then number 4 is the flam paradiddles. If you haven't seen these before, let me just walk you through them a little bit. Flam taps are where you have a flam followed by a tap in the same hand. So either left, right, right, or right, left, left. Remember, a flam should sound like one sound. And then the tap after that is one sound too. It should not sound like this. Okay? That's not a flam. That's 3 taps. A flam is, okay? The stick that starts down hits just in front of the second stick, really. So if you haven't gotten really good at flams yet, you want to probably do that. But then, flam taps, the first tempo is 60 beats per minute. So let's see what we got here. Ready, and... repeat. Then you would do it with the other hand too, obviously. Okay, 96 beats a minute. It's a little faster, but not really too much. 2, ready, and repeat. And 120. Now remember, for any of these tempos, if you can't do it that fast right away, you can go slower at first, get really, really good at going slower, and then just notch it up a little bit on your metronome. That's the way to do it. If you approach it incrementally, if you just do it a little bit faster every day, that's really the way to work it. 120 beats a minute is, here we go, 1, 2, 3. You can see when my sticks are down here, I'm keeping them really close. The way to play fast stuff, guys, is not to let your sticks out of control. You don't want to be flying all over the place. Okay, that's not the way to do it. When you see people play really, really fast and cool stuff, they're always really, really centered on what's going on. They don't move. There's no extraneous movement at all. Okay, that's the way to really be a good drummer. Flam paradiddles are just a paradiddle preceded by a flam. The first note is a flam. So instead of just paradiddle or paradiddle, you have flam-a-diddle or flam-a-diddle. Right, left, right, left, left, or left, right, right is the stick in there. So the flam part of the flam paradiddle kind of makes the accent come out too, which is kind of nice. It kind of makes the accent automatic, which is a nice thing. You don't really have to worry too much about the accent. So 60 beats a minute here is really kind of almost too slow, I think. I maybe should have made this a little faster. But if we start out with the right, left, right, right, left, left one at the beginning, we have... and repeat. As a drummer, sometimes it's harder to play slower. I had a lot of trouble playing that slow. 96 beats a minute is going to be a little easier, I think. So we have... and then 120. 1, 2, 3, and... And again, you want to do these in all the different tempi with all the different sticking too, left-handed and right-handed versions of all of them. Okay? I think that's about all on number 3 and 4, really. If you have any questions, give me an email. I'll be glad to answer any questions, or talk to me in class, of course. Good luck. Thanks.